Hi children. In last class we discussed one of the important property of magnet, that is attraction or repulsion. In this class we will discuss about magnetic materials or non-magnetic materials. We need three objects, that is any shape, same size, shape and color, and a bar magnet. Bring the objects one after the other close to one pole of the bar magnet. You observe, that is a attracted, repelled or not attracted. Right here first column, object 1. Next second object, that is attracted or not attracted. Next third, attracted. Next change the pole. First of all you kept a south pole, then you will change the north pole. Then again observe, first object or attracted or not, second object attracted or repelled, not attracted. You write. Next, what did you observe about activity 8? Means if any object is attracted by one pole of the bar magnet and repelled by its other pole, that is a magnet. If any object is attracted by both the poles of bar magnet and not repelled by any pole, that is a magnetic substance. If any object is neither attracted nor repelled by magnet, that is non-magnetic substance. Children, did you understand? First of all, first one ఏంటి, one side, one pole attracted by another pole or not attracted. బార్ మ్యాగ్నెట్కి ఒక పోల్ సైడ్ ఏమో అట్రాక్ట్ వస్తుంది, అనదర్ సైడ్ ఏమో అట్రాక్ట్ కాకుంటే దట్ ఈజ్ ఏ మ్యాగ్నెట్. అండ్ సెకండ్ వన్, టూ పోల్స్ ఆర్ అట్రాక్టెడ్ అండ్ అనదర్ పోల్ ఆర్ నాట్ అట్రాక్టెడ్ అంటే రిపెల్డ్. ఏ సైడ్ పెట్టినా కానీ బోత్ సైడ్స్ ఆర్ అట్రాక్ట్ అవుతుంది. నార్త్ పెట్టినా సౌత్ పెట్టినా కానీ ఆ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ అనేది attract to the bar magnet, that is a magnetic substances. If any object is neither attracted nor repelled by magnet, that is a non-magnetic substance. ఏ సబ్స్టెన్స్ అయితే ఆబ్జెక్ట్ అయితే మన బార్ మ్యాగ్నెట్కి అట్రాక్ట్ అవ్వదు, రిపల్ అవ్వదు. చిల్డ్రన్, డిడ్ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్? ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఏంటి, వన్ సైడ్ ఏమో బార్ మ్యాగ్నెట్కి వన్ పోల్ ఏమో అట్రాక్ట్ అయిపోయి అనదర్ పోల్ ఆర్ నాట్ అట్రాక్టెడ్, దట్ ఈజ్ ఎ మ్యాగ్నెట్. అండ్ సెకండ్ వన్, బోత్ సైడ్స్, సౌత్ పోల్ అండ్ నార్త్ పోల్, బోత్ పోల్స్ ఆఫ్ ఏ బార్ మ్యాగ్నెట్ ఆర్ అట్రాక్టెడ్, నాట్ ఏ రిపల్డ్, దట్ ఈజ్ ఎ మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ సబ్స్టెన్స్. బట్ ఇన్ థర్డ్ వన్, నైదర్ అట్రాక్టెడ్ నార్ రిపల్డ్, this is a non-magnetic substance. Now I show one video to you. Children, I hope all of you understood the magnetic and non-magnetic material. In that video you show no non-magnetic ball are move straight forward, but magnetic ball is towards the magnet, because magnet are attack the iron ball. Children, it's clear? It is clear? Is it clear? Next activity Activity 9. Make your own magnet. Take an iron nail and place it on a table. That nail compulsory attracts to the magnet. Take a bar magnet and place on its pole near one edge of the nail. Without lifting, the bar magnet moves it along the length of the iron nail till you reach the other end. First up to down. That one you then lift a bar magnet, bring it to the first end of the nail and move along the length again. Repeat this process 20 to 30 times. Always move the magnetic in one direction. Don't drag the magnet back or forth. Yes, see children, here picture. Nail, place on a table, take a magnet in one direction, move up to down, along same direction, not lifting the bar magnet. What did you observe means remove the bar magnet and bring a iron fillings or all pins. The nail, iron nail or attack the all pins. Here what did you observe? The nail also act as a magnet. This is called magnetizing. This also one property of magnet. Magnetizing. Yes, see children, here in this picture. Here needle, not a nail, needle. Magnet move along the same direction. After this process complete, the needle also act as a magnet. So this is the one of property of magnet, that is called magnetizing. Yeah, next topic, make activity 10. Make your own magnetic compass. Take a magnetized needle. Magnetized needle means what you learned in activity 9, like that. Tape the needle to a light cork. Float the cork in a glass of water. Add a little detergent to water to help the cork float freely. In what direction does your magnetized needle point head? It points in north-south direction. Thus, it acts as a magnetic compass.
Compass. For this experiment, we will need a bowl of water, a magnet, a cork, pliers, and a needle. We start by rubbing the needle a couple of times against the magnet like this. Make sure that you are always rubbing it in the same direction. Poke the needle through the middle of the cork using the pliers. Be careful not to prick yourself. You might want to ask an adult for help. Place the compass in the bowl of water. The needle will now point towards the nearest magnetic pole, north or south, depending on where you live. Check it by putting a compass next to it. The compass works due to Earth producing a magnetic field. This force is sufficient enough to align magnetized objects, such as the needle, that are free to rotate.
Yeah, you understood children? How to make a magnetic compass. Very easy, na? You will try it, do at home. Next, today what topics we discussed children? Magnetic or non-magnetic materials, how to make own magnet and magnetic compass. Children, try to find the answers I gave it two questions. Listen children carefully. First one, what household items have magnets in them? And second question, what makes magnetic objects different from non-magnetic objects? Thank you children.